Hello everyone! We are Group 1 and today I will discuss introduction and core consideration to inform decision making. Let's talk about purpose and foundation. Ang goal nito is guiding educators planning intentional learning that supports a whole child's growth. Ang whole child's growth ay pinapalibutan ng socio-emotional, physical, cognitive, and language development. Sabi dito, it is built on 5 NAEYC foundational documents, which are DAP, DAP, Professional Standards, Program Standards, Equity Statement, and Code of Ethical Conduct. And sabi din, it gives evidence-based rules for decision-making in any settings. And let's move on sa statement of position. Sabi dito, every child from ages 0 to 8 has the right to be fair. Lahat dapat tayo fair yung opportunities. Lahat binibigyan ng high quality learning opportunities to help them reach their full potential. Children are naturally curious. They learn best through joy, play, and exploring their world. Complex ang pag-iisip ng children. Malawak ang kanilang imagination at mas nare-retain nila yung information pag ito ay sasamahan ng play-based learning. That fosters joyful learning and meets every child's unique needs. So basically, pag sinuma to, is a statement of position is helping educators make informed and effective decision that improves the quality of ECE or early childhood education.
What is DAP? In NAEYC definition, it is a strength-based, play-based approach that meets children where they are, while guiding them to meaningful and challenging goals. It must be individually, culturally, and linguistically appropriate for every child and family. Guided by 3 core considerations: commonality, individuality, and context. The first core consideration, commonality. Research confirms there are consistent, universal patterns in how all children grow, develop, and learn across all areas. These shared processes happen regardless of social, cultural, or language background. Second core consideration is individuality. Every child has their own strengths, interests, needs, and pace of learning, shaped by their family and experiences. Educators must get to know each child well, their skills, personality, home language, disabilities or gifts, and personal goals. There is no one way that works for all children. We adapt methods to match each child's unique traits.
Now let's talk about third core consideration, context in which children grow and live environments. Context is about environment and experience kung saan lumaki yung bata and natuto, meaning to say every child came from different families, culture, community, and meron silang iba't ibang situation sa buhay. So, learning and development happen within a specific social and cultural context, specifically family, dahil dito nakikita kung paano tayo palakihin ng magulang natin or yung mga nag-aalaga sa atin. Overall, yung learning and development ng isang bata is nagkakaroon ng impact from their families, communities, language, they use everyday and status nila sa buhay, and also yung culture and beliefs nila. Of course, by that nagkakaroon sila ng iba't ibang way kung paano sila matututo or kung paano nila i-absorb yung knowledge na nanggagaling sa kinalakihan nila. Next is yung personalities, behavior, experiences ng bata is nabubuo siya hindi lang sa bahay, but maaring sa school, peers, teachers, and sa community na kinalalagyan niya. So we should not compare every child kasi iba-iba yung mga pinanggagalingan nila. And as a teacher, dapat may connection tayo sa families ng mga bata. And we should respect their cultural ways of learning and huwag natin agad silang i-judge kapag may nakita tayo or napansin tayong kakaiba sa kanila. And also, as a teacher, we must reflect on our own biases. Maging fair tayo sa treatment natin sa mga estudyante natin and dapat pantay-pantay yung pagtingin natin sa kanila wherever they come from. Commonality, individuality, and context matters together because it helps teachers understand what children generally need and what makes each children unique. So malalaman natin dito kung ano ba yung kayang gawin ng mga bata na same age and what makes each children background different to one another. Na dapat irespeto ng bawat isa, and as a teacher, ituro natin na irespeto nila yung bawat isa kahit saan pa man sila nanggaling. And also, how their family and environment affect their learning, kung paano ba natututo yung bata or ano ba yung mga maaring matutunan ng bata sa family and fears nila, at sa mga ibang bagay tulad ng culture, community ng isa't isa. So, this will help teachers teach every child in the best way.